Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's video update, we're going to take a look at Stellar. Stellar right now is trading at 0.1023. 24-hour volume, we are down 15.68%, and market cap, we are down 2.33%. Heading over to our chart here, we've got an immediate short term for 4 hours. We are zoomed way back to kind of look at the accumulation phase. An accumulation phase is essentially where the price drops and it rallies up until an initial breakout. And if we take a look here on a 4-hour time frame, again, we are just at that point of hitting the accumulation phase of 0.1004. There's a lot of areas back in the history of XLM here on June 13th, and multiple areas until price actually picked up and then turned into more of an uptrend. So we can see here again, back on June 13th, we can see July 12th, and then back here on July 26th as well. We can see already back from August 16th, from that initial fall, we can see that price consolidated sideways, dropped, consolidated sideways, dropped, and then picked up again. So initial fact, if history is going to repeat itself with Stella, it is going to be the same kind of thing where price is in the accumulation phase right now, and we are almost going to break out in an uptrend. That's only if Bitcoin is Bitcoin and different other altcoins here is going to be stable to work in our favor. If not, we are going to drop and even further. So if we take a look again at the current price that we are right now, we can see that the RSI itself is at 6% and 12%. It is not yet considered to be a opportunity for a short term or swing trade here, as these two lines have not crossed over. What we can anticipate too is a crossover of our MACD indicating more of a bear market itself, and price is going to basically come down and retest this area of support. However, again, we haven't closed yet in this 4-hour time interval. We can see too that the only area of supply that we are tested as this profile itself is a D profile, is only up here at 1053. So there's not a whole lot of resistance and support unless we drill down into more of a shorter time frame. So we're going to go into a 3-hour time frame itself. We can see this line here, or this candlestick, retrace closer to 50% of this previous candlestick here, which again is a good sign. However, the body itself so far session is near the bottom. So again, more selling pressure on the bears, which essentially may drop the price once again. We can see this impulse here after price was escalating upwards, got rejected near the 20 MA line, and then shot back down. You'll notice that the 20 MA line is basically treated as a resistance and a support line. So if we are anticipated to drop from this key level, our next retracement level here is simply 0.0979. We need to be able to come out and break through this resistance at 1054 if we want to be able to, have that uptrend change for us. If we're going into immediate short term for 2 hours here, again, we can see a surge of this green candle matching more than 50% of the previous candle session is near the bottom here. So again, more strength in the bears. We are possibly going to consolidate sideways. As we can see, the Bollinger Bands are narrowing, but where we need to be again is retest this area of resistance at the 1054, and you'll notice closer to that is above our 20 MA. Our RSI is at 40% and 20%, which still has some time to come up, but we can see again we're capped at 66% there and 74%. So we may not see even the 80% or above 80% before price actually comes down, because the momentum of our MACD is strong trend in the red trend or the bear trend itself. So where I think price is going to come back up to, it's probably going to hit up to the 50% or even the 61%. We can see again here, it was a good resistance line as the trend itself was growing stronger, pushed the price down, price was coming up, and then we can see it was considered to be overbought here. but it was in the middle of this green uptrend itself. So where I think again price may come up to is the 61% and then get rejected down because it is closer to our 20 MA. Or if we do have enough momentum and we see the MACD itself is closing in and momentum itself is smaller, we might actually just push it just slightly into the 50% of our fib again at 1050. So that is my video update here for XLM or Stella. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe to the channel as well, but I'll see you next time.